Okay guys, as you saw last time, we installed bucket seats into the 34, but today's mission is going to be making this car whole again. You see it's currently got the blue bumper, and it is a bit mismatchy, but today we are putting a new Altia bar on. This is a bar that I got repaired by my mate Brandon's dad, who did a pretty good job. I told him that I wanted it pretty much like black accents and everything, and he delivered. Even did the accents on the sides. I do kind of like how that goes. It's going to be difficult for photographers because of the black, but it's going to look pretty sick though. That's going to be awesome. Also, shout out to Noriara for blessing this car. It is honestly one of my favorite parts about popping the hood. My problem right now, I've lost my trim tools. I'm pretty sure I had some in the back because I would usually keep them in here. It's my old math, some extra pipes. Yeah, no, I don't think I've got them in here anymore. But yeah, annoying. So it looks like we're just gonna have to use screwdrivers and be very careful with these. Just kind of gotta pop that out. There we go. That's one loose. Come on, here. Maybe if I just kind of like push the back out for this, like that. There you go. So I don't really want to damage them much. Oh, and I dropped it, and it's under the car. Did I just lock my car? I just like literally fell on my keys. That's all of those done. And then what else am I missing? So we got that done. All those are out. There's 2 screws on both sides for those, which are just 10 mils. Then I can just pretty much just pop off. I also got to remove the zip ties down there and hope that I have spares, because we're probably going to need some more. Oh, it's going to be hard to get to. I got to actually move my wheel. Oh, and it's locked. I gotta grab my keys. There we go. Might have to... There's one screw, and then one more screw, which I think this wheel is kind of in the way of now. I would just like move that, but you know what, I actually should just move that. There we go. There we go. Okay, another screw to add to the collection. Is there another one? There was another one up here, which I don't think I can get to on the other side. Might need to lie down on the hot concrete. Pretty much just gotta go there, up there. Come on, come on, almost got ya. Ah, how far down did it go? Oh, Mr. Nut. Okay, cool. Let's put that on the side here. We've got one more bolt holding this thing in, and that is on the other side. Problem though, I'm probably gonna have to shift this whole thing around to get to it. The only thing holding me back now is zip ties, so not ideal. That's probably gonna be a bit too much. Really was expecting scissor attachment on this thing, because that's oh my god. This is very broken. There we go. Use the tension of it and just kind of go 1, 2, 3. There we go. 3 done. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, Bob's your uncle. There we go. Just unplug the globes. Oh, come on. I've got to use a bit of persuasion on this one because it's not quite getting there. Oh, my knee, I'm old. There you go. Now I should be able to just pull this bar off. Oh, I forgot that bolt. We gotta take that bolt off and then we can take the bar off. Okay, so this out of the way, should be able to get under here. There's the bolt, and up and on. Ah, I got a bumper on my head. There's only one way this can go, and it is literally just here and there. Come on. I could literally just get another 10 mil. Let's try one more time. Let's use a smaller one, and that's gonna do the job pretty well. It'll let me just put this. Oh my God! I literally accidentally kicked the bumper and it fell off. Oh my God! Hi guys, Chris Fix here. So now this is the part that I don't know how it's gonna go. Basically, we're gonna try and put this bumper straight on. I have a feeling it's not going to quite line up having a front mount intercooler on the front, so we might have to modify this bar. Don't think I'll be able to do it today because I don't have the tools to do it, but I might need to saw the bumper, which is going to be annoying, but kind of got to do what you got to do.
Some of you may die, but it's a sacrifice I am willing to make.
Okay, first things first, let's just try and line this up. Hard part is trying not to scratch the bumper because the paint is pretty fresh. Just gotta go slow, slow. Gotta get this top bit to match. There we go. There we go. And then this bit has got to match too. So that's got to go up. It's like such a tight fit. Like, look at that. 1, 2, 3. And it's like literally just, I might have to like bring these up. Bring the headlight up a bit. By the way, it is so rare to have headlight tabs that are like this clean, like no cracks in them at all. So quite happy that I still got these, because oh, it's always the worst part with this bumper, or with this thing. I gotta lift that up. Same thing with this side. Kind of gotta lift it up there. Holy shit, it actually fits. Like, that's gonna rub, but not bad. Then I can kind of clip it on and work with it from there. Come on, tab. Come on, tab. Oh shit, did I break it? No, it's fine. There we go, come on. Nice and easy. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. And then, that's nice and easy. Okay, that's that side done. Now, so that's one thing that's very difficult when it comes to aligning these bumpers. Getting that panel gap fixed is a pain. I will probably look to getting that fixed at some point, but for now, it'll do. This side isn't complete. I haven't got that bolt at the end. You can see it's kind of sticking out a little bit. But also, this side is always going to be a bit difficult to align because I've got to align these out a little bit more. It's a bit of a pain to do. Well, it is officially done. So at last, the blue bumper is finally off and we have the white bumper on. It matches so well with the AVS Model 5s and the accents we've got on it really pop. It looks super cool. One thing I got to do is these meshes. I got to sort that out at some point. I was going to do the JSI Aero one that I bought, but I got to figure out how it's going to fit. And I think I might have to take the bumper off again, which is super painful. And I'm going to have to hype myself up to do it. But then it'll have meshes and it'll look mint. The only things I've got to fix up on this car now is rust. As you can see on the boot, we've got a little bit of bubbling rust there. That's been there since I bought the car, and it's gotten worse on this side too. It's just a common issue with this thing. And even like paint peel over here, this always tends to happen too, especially because this must have been resprayed at some point because it doesn't quite match up. And I think on this side you might be able to see it on this rear door here as well. Starting to get a bit of rust there as well, from just the age and just scratches and everything everywhere. So the thing is definitely due for a respray and also a few extra goodies, so it's getting there. But yeah, I just gotta look on the bright side. The car is all matching, looks mint, drives good, and now I can just cruise down the highway in my future videos just looking mint in a Altia front bar R34 with really cool genuine wheels. Life is good. Life is good. But anyway, thank you guys for coming along for the ride. If you know what it's like to put on a R34 bumper, it is a pain in the butt, especially alignment, especially with the headlights, and also trying not to break the tabs. It is super annoying, but I do appreciate you guys watching. Anyway, for now, I'm gonna go and relax, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.